I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is all birds all the way from the hill. I know it's really hard to see with this camera, but I swear, if you look at the edge over there where the sun is set, there is nothing but birds. And they're going all the way through the whole entire sky is filled with birds. These are all birds over my head. And this has been going on for about a minute before I started filming. I don't know, it's weird. It's like the end of times, or something you would see in a movie. But these are all birds. So I want to keep filming this until they go away, or I get shit on. I'm not quite sure which one. I'm assuming the latter one, but these are all birds still going over my head. And this has been about a minute and a half, minute and 15 seconds, and they were doing a good minute and a half before I even got out of the car. These are still birds, still birds. I don't know, but it's pretty creepy and eerie. Still going. Still gonna sit here and film these birds because it's creepy. It's really creeping me out. How do I adjust this camera? Still going. As you can see, they're still going. This is throughout the whole sky. This isn't just right in front of me. Now it's starting to veer off a little bit. And you can see them still veering. When these birds came over, it was like the sky went black from the top, back part, and over. These are still birds coming. Still birds. Trying to zoom in. I don't know how to do that, but I guess I can do a little bit. Here, let me see if I can get a little more. I cannot believe I have not been shit on yet. I don't know how many birds are in the sky. I know it's thousands. Thousands upon thousands of birds. As far as the eye can see, I see birds. And I'm going to keep filming all these birds until they all go away. So you can see, towards the backdrop, they just keep coming. And there's like no end in sight. And I'm looking with my naked eye all the way down. I just see a cloud of birds. This is amazing. I don't know where all these birds are going. They're pissed. They're going somewhere. Now a big wave coming up, another big wave. You can see in the background, it looks like a cloud. It's not. Those are birds. Those are birds still coming in waves. I'm going to walk over a little bit and get off the road. As far as I can see, I see birds. Alright, they're tailing off from me now. From this side of the sky is clear. As you can see, they cleared up on this side, and now they're headed over again. And it's not, the sky is not as full with birds, but it's pretty full of birds, if that makes sense. Well, we got another wave coming. Holy shit, look at all the, I wish I could show you how many birds I'm seeing right now. But it is now they're filling the whole sky up over again. Here comes a third wave of birds. This is unbelievable. I wish you guys could see all the way. There's some more, kind of hard to tell from this angle, but that's behind me. And I see nothing but birds throughout the sky, all the way down. And here comes another big group of birds. And you can see it right there on the left-hand side. It looks like fuzz and smoke. It's not, it's birds. Still coming. This is crazy. But no end in sight. Here they come. I don't know where all these birds are coming from. This is unbelievable. As far as I can see, all the way down by the tower, it's nothing but birds. All the way down. And they have about, I could sit here and film all day apparently, but looks like that was a break. You got one little tail end there, you can see there, of birds. And if you look behind it, I would say there's probably another, I don't know, I'm not a counter, but 50,000 more coming? Maybe more? And you can see right above where the pole is in the middle. Though that's not a cloud, that's birds. Look a little bit down from the telephone pole, the big one on the right hand side. There you go, you can see them now. That's not a cloud. Those are all birds still going. It's crazy. Still going. Still going. Still going birds all the way down. It's been almost 7 minutes of video and I've got nothing but birds. You can see where they're going. They're all going, I mean, I heard of migration, but not by the hundred thousands of birds, I don't think. I've never seen this before. Oh, and you guys got to see this. This wave coming of birds. All those black clouds right above the tree line, those are all birds. Here, let me see if I can focus in a little more. And you can see the wave coming. There is a huge wave of birds coming. Yep. Look at all these birds. Wow. I don't know what is going on or if this is normal. I'm telling you, this is out of a movie. This has got to be out of a movie. It looks like the last wave of birds is coming up here. I've been rolling for 8 minutes. I got about 2 minutes, probably a minute and a half into not getting the birds on film because I was just dumbfounded at how many birds I saw. But I don't see any more coming after this wave. And there's still birds coming. This is incredible. I mean, I don't know how many birds had to pass over me. Honestly. 500,000? Maybe more? I would think. I can't tell if that's the last wave coming or if that's... I don't see any more in the skyline. There's still birds. Still birds coming. Oh, they're just not ending. They're just coming and coming. Tailing off. It's not as thick as it was when I first got out. It's definitely not as thick. Nope, they're not stopping. There are still birds coming. I think I got the majority of them though. That was crazy, wasn't it? Still coming. I don't think one took a shit over there. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's more coming. Are you kidding? Look at the waves of birds. You see, right above the telephone pole, to the right of it, under the first line, is not clouds, guys. Those are birds. Those are birds. And they're still coming. Unbelievable. Not as big a waves as they were doing, but it's definitely not ending. Definitely not ending yet. And you can see right above the telephone pole, the waves are coming in. I want to put my camera down. And I want to stop shooting. But there's so many fucking birds. I don't know. It's creepy. Oh man, there's more coming. More waves of birds coming. A lot thinner though. Definitely not as thick as filling the whole sky as it was. But there's two groups. You got more birds over there towards the left hand of the skylight. And you got birds above me that are coming in through here. And it looks like the skyline, they're still coming. And it doesn't look like there's an end in sight. I've been filming for 12 minutes. Should be home eating. Not as thick, but still a tremendous amount of birds that are coming from this area. Alright, I want to stop filming. They're still coming in waves, but they're a lot thinner. But I'm telling you, that was freaking creepy. I'm just waiting to see in the background if there's more coming this way or not. You still got the tail end of these guys here. And I can't tell if there's more in the background. It's kind of hard to see. As you can see above here, they're still coming. Oh yeah, there's still more. Holy sh... Yep, there's still more waves coming. So this is weird. I don't know. I don't remember ever seeing this before, but I don't know. But they're coming now. It's not as thick as it was. Maybe the tail end, I guess, of the bird rage, but on 13 minutes and the birds are still coming. Alright, I'm going to stop filming now. They're still coming in the background. It's not as many.